Well, hey everybody, thought I'd give you an update. This is Nerdy Ned, Nate Nature's dad, and I'm here reporting to you from Potter County to let you know that it's cold. It's not even pleasant to go for a walk because it's windy, but plenty of snow to make the steps go quiet. So, for all you outdoor people, stay inside. This is Nerdy Ned signing off. Have a good day.
Well, hey there, everybody. Well, I guess you saw that my dad says it's too cold to be outside today, so I guess today our show, Naturally Nature, is going to be about the great indoors because we can't go outside, so it's still going to be with me, Nate Nature, your host, me hosting. So let's check it. Next part. So as always, we're starting out with fashion. Now, indoors fashion is a little bit different because really it's all about hats. And the truth is, anything can be a hat. So just go out there, put some stuff on your head, and look good doing it. So camouflage is important when you're inside too. All you need is a fancy studio with a green screen and someone who knows how to do some editing. And you can have your inside camouflage. Just check it out. Ta-da! I'm a brick wall. When you're hiding inside, it's usually part of a game called hide and go seek. One of the best things you can do when you're hiding for hide and seek is to just go under things. Stay very quiet. They won't even see ya. Or even inside of them.
It doesn't smell very nice in here. My nose itches.
There are lots of good games you can play inside, like coloring or writing a story. Bowling has always been one of my favorite indoor sports. Check it out. All right. Another good game to play inside is called trash can basketball. Take whatever trash you have around and chuck it in the trash can. Kobe. Another great thing to do inside is actually to... Wait, did you hear that? That sounds like the call of a full-grown ankle cricket. It would be amazing to see one. Let's see if we can find it. Oh dear, that scared me. You know what, kids? Turns out, it's actually just a smoke alarm. We might need some new batteries around here. When you're inside, transportation is very different. Almost all the time, you just want to take it nice and slow. That's why I like this puppy. Oh, an important part of being inside is called room identification. Knowing what room you're in can really help you to know what you're supposed to be doing there. For example, I'm pretty sure this room is some sort of ballroom for chairs. So we'll get out of here and let them have their party. Another one is this room. Seems to be like a really good spot for watching some TV. Oh. Might help if we turn it on though. This room looks like a place where you're maybe supposed to do all your makeup because there's so many mirrors everywhere. But they look kind of rusty. Whoa, what kind of hat is this? Some kind of fancy schmancy. Ooh, I professional food guy, egg in the nest. Whoa. Huh. This room is so full of knowledge, makes me want to whisper. Doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of nature though. Just some napkins. This room seems to have grown some strange new grass. I like it. Inside is an amazing place to do some music. So just go and do your best. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Even when you're inside all day, you still gotta get some food to eat. I usually just check in this thing. Hope we've got some grapes. Yeah, well, close enough. Works for me. Well, that's been Naturally Nature, our show, the indoors edition, with your host, that's me, Nate Nature. So thanks for coming along with us, and well, I'll see ya. Not quite as cold as I thought. On today's episode of Nate Nature, Pastor Kobe falls flat out of a tree. The outside, I miss you. And outside, I hope you miss me. Brick wall whose phone is ringing. Hello? Oh, hey, I'm a little busy being a brick wall right now. Can I call you back later?
Wait, did you just say a brick wall?
Yeah, brick wall, you got it. Lots of knowledge. Tell me what you know. Oh. All right. Time to celebrate. Where's the button? What a stinker. It's okay, buddy. You're still fashionable. Wonder what it's good for. Maybe floor angels? That just gives a little rug burn.
Well, hey, what are you guys doing in here? Oh, it's Beef and Susan. I didn't feel as well as I thought I would.
A stick horse is always a good idea, but when you're inside, you can trade it off for an even better hover horse. I gotta put my hat on. Hi-ho, hover horse!
I think we got it. I don't really know what this is going to look like in the end.
How many beard hairs are gonna come out with this? Oh. Now that's inside. Maybe a little Nate Nature up here.
Well, hi.
Naturally Nature, that's a good show.
My name is Nate Nature, and I'm so glad you
Way
came
better
to
than
join
obviously
us on our
outdoors.
new show. It's called Naturally Nature, hosted by me, Nate Nature.
Guy doesn't even know what he's
And,
doing.
We're here on Naturally Nature.
With his
with
lawyers
me,
and
Nature. We're gonna show you what happens when you go outside. So let's go.